A very cheerful morning to all Royal Star. So let's continue this topic in English. Cursive or to H. So let's start right here. Start from third line. Go up. Goes. Make a standing line. Move back. Semicircle. Down. Touch this line. Cursive A. Check this formation again. Go slant, touch the first line, move, go down straight, move back, turn, make a circle like the cursive A. Next, cursive B. Start from first line, make a slanting line, down, touch the third line, turn, go up, close the mouth, make a semicircle. First semicircle, second semicircle and fold. Cursive B. Speak and write. Start from first line, make a slanting line, turn, up, make a first semicircle, second semicircle and fold. Cursive B. Next, cursive C. Start from third line, go up slant, turn, move back like this. Cursive C. Check the formation carefully. Start from third line, go up slant, turn, move back and turn. Cursive C. Next, cursive D. Start from first line, go down, make a slanting line, make a small loop and down, touch the third line, turn around, go up, touch the top point, out, in. Cursive D. Check the formation, make a slanting line, look at the movement of my hand, make a small loop, down, turn around, go up, cut on this point. Cursive D. Okay, next, cursive E. Speak cursive E. Speak and write. Check the formation carefully. Start from third line, go up slant, fold like this, semicircle. Cursive E. Okay. Start from third line, turn, go slant up, touch the first line, make a first semicircle, second semicircle. Cursive E. Okay, look at the movement of my hand. Start from third line, turn and go slant up, touch the first line, make a fold, semicircle, move back and second semicircle. Cursive E. Next, come to the next, cursive F. Start from this point. Okay, note the first line, little bit down, turn like this, touch the first line, down, up, touch the first line, fold, down, make a slanting line, turn. In center, make a small sleeping line. Check the formation. Start from this point, touch the first line, turn, down, up, make a small loop, go slant, down, turn, sleeping line, small sleeping line. Cursive F. Start from this point, turn like this, make a small loop, down, turn, make a small sleeping line. Cursive F. Cursive G. Start from third line like this, turn, go up slant, fold, go down slant at the third line, turn around, go up to the second line, move back and fold. Cursive G. Start from this point, third line, turn, go up slant, fold, down, turn around, go up, move back and fold. Cursive G. Okay, start from this point, turn, go up and turn, go up, down to the fourth line like this. Cursive G. Now, today we will do cursive H. Okay, next cursive H. Cursive G after cursive H. Start from this point. Okay, not first line, this point. Okay, little bit down. Make a small tail, go slant down, make a slanting line, touch the third line and turn. Okay. Next, make a slanting line again like this. Move back, put your pencil here, make a circle, out, in, touch the third line, out. H. Okay, cursive H. Put your pencil here. Okay, small tail. Make a slanting line down like this, turn, again slanting line, move back, circle, out, touch in this line, out. H, cursive H. Okay, small tail, go up, down like this, slanting line, move back like this, H, cursive H. Okay, check the formation again. Small tail, make a slanting line, down, turn. Okay, make a slanting line, move back, circle out, H, cursive S. Speak again. Cursive A, cursive B, cursive C, cursive D, cursive E, cursive F, cursive G, cursive S. So student, you have to speak and write. Thank you student. Have a good day.